Ever dreamt of cruising in a luxury car but your wallet said otherwise? Well, guess what? Luxury doesn't always mean breaking the bank. Stick around to discover some affordable alternatives to those high-end vehicles. And if you love saving money as much as we do, hit that like button and subscribe for more budget-friendly tips. All right, let's dive in. We all know that luxury cars like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class or the BMW 7 Series are the epitome of style and comfort. But did you know that there are cars out there that offer similar luxury features without the hefty price tag? Let's break it down. Hyundai Genesis. Often dubbed the budget Mercedes, the Hyundai Genesis offers a smooth ride, leather interiors, and advanced tech features. It's no wonder that 40% of Genesis owners previously drove a luxury brand. Kia Stinger. If you're looking for a sporty vibe without splurging on an Audi or a BMW, the Kia Stinger is your go-to. With its turbocharged engine and sleek design, it's a head-turner on the road. Mazda CX5. For those who prefer SUVs, the Mazda CX5 is a game-changer. It boasts a premium interior and advanced safety features, rivaling many luxury SUVs, but at a fraction of the cost. Now you might be wondering, why go for these alternatives? Well, according to a recent study, 65% of car buyers prioritize value for money over brand prestige. And with the rising cost of living, it's no surprise that many are opting for budget-friendly options without compromising on luxury. But wait, there's more. Not only do these cars save you money upfront, but they also have lower maintenance costs. Research shows that luxury car owners spend an average of $1,000 more annually on maintenance compared to owners of non-luxury brands. That's a lot of extra cash you could be saving. Lastly, let's talk about depreciation. Luxury cars tend to lose their value faster. On average, a luxury car can depreciate by 60% in the first 5 years. In contrast, many affordable alternatives hold their value much better, ensuring you get a good resale price when it's time to upgrade. Whew! That was a ride, wasn't it? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Let's help everyone find their dream car without emptying their pockets.